CyberScout Password Reset is a valuable tool designed to help individuals regain access to their accounts when they forget their passwords or when their accounts have been compromised. To use this feature effectively, it is essential to understand when to use it. First, identify the situations that warrant a password reset. If you have forgotten your password and are unable to log into your account, using the CyberScout Password Reset feature is an ideal solution. This feature will guide you through a series of steps to verify your identity and create a new password. Another situation where you should use the CyberScout Password Reset is when you suspect that your account has been compromised. If you notice any suspicious activity on your account, such as unfamiliar logins or transactions, it is crucial to change your password immediately to prevent further unauthorized access. Before initiating the password reset process, ensure you have access to the email address or phone number associated with your account. This is because the password reset process typically involves receiving a verification code or link to reset your password. To use the CyberScout Password Reset feature, start by navigating to the login page of your account and clicking on the Forgot Password option. Follow the prompts to enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. You will then receive a verification code or link to reset your password. When creating a new password, it is essential to follow best practices for password creation. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name, birth date, or common words. In conclusion, the CyberScout Password Reset feature is a useful tool for regaining access to your accounts when you forget your passwords or when your accounts have been compromised. By understanding when to use this feature and following the steps outlined, you can quickly and securely reset your password and protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember to always use strong and unique passwords and keep your account information up to date to ensure the security of your accounts.